always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello. Hi. Let's count to 10 together. Ready? Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's count down from 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we're done. Blast off!
Hello, friend. It's so good to see you. The rest of the gang is already here. Let's see what everyone's doing. I see 2 friends playing together. 1, 2. 2 friends. Let's count together.
1, 2.
2 friends. 2 is a number. Say 2.
2.
That's exactly right. Let's make 2 our number of the day.
Let's count together. 2. There are 2 wiggle bugs. 1, 2. How many wiggle bugs in all? 2. That's right. Let's take their pictures. Say cheese! Thank you for helping me take that picture. Let's do the monkey dance! Yeah! There's a brand new dance you need to count to do each move the right amount. There's a special number, the number 2. Come on and count with me. Get ready to do everything 2 times. Clap 2 times. Nod 2 times. Point 2 times. March 2 times. I knew I could count on you. You do the monkey dance, the monkey dance. Come on, everybody, do the monkey dance. You do the monkey dance, the monkey dance. Come on and dance with me. Yeah!
Let's count together.
2.
There are 2 apples. 1, 2. Now count them with me.
1, 2.
How many apples in all?
2.
Yeah! Come on, Wigglebugs, snack time.
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. It's called I Want To. This story is about all the things a baby wants to do. Let's see what they are. Let's begin. I Want To, written by Sam Wilson, illustrated by Marianne Hampton, designed by Pippa Saritslev. I want to crawl. I want to climb. I want to eat. I want to drink. I want to sing. I want to play. I want to draw. I want to splash. I want to go to Mama. I want to read. I want to hug. I want to sleep. The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog.
I'm going to teach you a new song. It's called Home on the Range. I'll sing the verse and then we'll learn the chorus together. Here we go. Oh, give me a home where the buffalo roam, where the deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day. Home, home on the range, where the deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day. Okay, now everybody sing!
That's a lot of words, Mr. Frog.
Yes, it is, Monkey. Just do the best you can. And if you don't know the words, just hum along. Like this. That's it. Okay, here we go. Oh, give me a home where the buffalo roam, where the deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day. Home, home on the range, where the deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day. Well done!
And I learned some of the words, Mr. Frog.
Yes, you did, Monkey. I heard you singing. See you all soon. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Mr. Frog.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
Hey everybody! Let's practice our letters by playing the alphabet game.
Yay!
I want to hear you too.
Let's all play the
the alphabet game. When I show you a letter, say its name. Are you ready?
Yeah!
What's this letter?
K!
What's this letter?
V!
What's this letter?
W!
What's this letter?
Y!
Now let's do it fast.
W! Y! K! V! K! W! V! Y! W! Y! K! V! W! K! Y! V!
Nice work, everybody. That's how you play the alphabet game. When you see a letter,
You say its name! The letter B!
Mr. Goose, can we trace a letter?
Absolutely. Let's practice making the letter V. Who can think of a fun way to do it?
Let's make letters in the sky with clouds.
Well, that sounds like a great idea. Hedgehog, show us how.
Okay. V.
Great!
I'll trace the next one. V.
Terrific tracing! Now, let's trace the lowercase letter.
I'll try next. V.
Nice job!
I want to try. V. Ooh.
You did it! Let's look at the letters we made. What's this letter?
V.
Exactly. Uppercase V. And what's this letter?
V.
That's right. Lowercase v. Nice job.
Wow! Cool!
Nice work, everybody.
Thank you, Mr. Goose. V. Let's have a pattern party! Patterns repeat. Patterns repeat. When I say a pattern, repeat to the beat. Okay, everybody. I'll say a pattern. Then repeat it back with me. Apple, banana, apple, banana. Apple, banana, apple, banana, apple, banana, apple, banana, apple, banana, apple, banana. You did it! Come on, Pig. Now it's your turn.
Okay. Patterns repeat. Patterns repeat. When I say a pattern, repeat to the beat. Apple, banana, banana. Apple, banana, banana.
Apple, banana, banana. Apple, banana, banana.
Keep going.
Apple, banana, banana. Apple, banana, banana. Hedgehog and I are doing one together.
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Bye!
Goodbye.
Goodbye!
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen.
Pussycat, pussycat, where have you been? I've been to London to look at the Queen. Pussycat, pussycat, what did you there? I frightened a little mouse under the chair. Pussycat, pussycat.